Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
Probably needs to be replaced.
Red SUV driver failed to yield properly and got T-boned. Fortunately, help was quick to arrive.
Which car ran the light?
I can't. Ed, are you going back?
Somebody else is probably called by now.
Що це за травляка на тебе наїжджає? Можна я їх вдарю?
After overtaking, this driver slowed down for the speed limit, but the guy in gray SUV went off-road and purposely sideswiped him.
У нас брехуна воно було. Ну, пожалуйста, ма.
Княгиня Ольга.
Current loop video is now locked.
Okay, Garmin, say video. I got it on video. You want it? Yes, please. I'll come around.
That's not a passing zone.
Dude, I got you. Ooh. There we go. There's an officer right there.
After overtaking in no passing zone, the driver in front received instant karma. Now, he's definitely in bigger trouble.
I think he may get in a little more trouble.
The driver almost caused the mess on the highway while attempting to block another vehicle from passing on the left.
Hey!
What happened?
Ah!
The accident.
Houlik. Ba.
Black car runs a red light and T-bones white car, which was turning left.
63, which is now gone. I mean, yeah, the back seats aren't very comfortable.
Yeah, but the CT53 Blackwing is so good and it doesn't feel any bigger than this.
Oh my God! What are you doing? Whoa! That car just it's a one-way. Why do guys keep doing that? Oh no! Oh man! I gotta.
Are you serious?
This driver narrowly avoided a collision with another driver who didn't even check their mirrors while merging onto the highway.
Heart is the beat of life. If you have heart failure, entrust your heart to Entresto. Entresto helps improve your heart's ability to pump blood to the body. Don't take Entresto with pregnant. It can cause harm or death to an unborn baby. And don't take Entresto with an ACE inhibitor, or else you've had angioedema with an ACE or ARM. The most serious side effects are angioedema of low blood.
In the final minute of the game, when you think everything is done, and suddenly he rescues Real Madrid from a defeat.
The fans love him.
It's love, is adoration, is
All over the world.
Impatient BMW driver gets angry and tries to brake check truck driver.
I knew they were going to do that.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.